Welcome to Barnett, a classic boutique hotel in New Orleans. This is where we're staying tonight, and we're going to give you a full tour. Let's start.
Okay, this is the outdoor sidewalk of the hotel. There's also a restaurant in here, so this is the outdoor seating area. It's nice and shaded, a lot of plants. And the entrance to the restaurant. And this is the main entrance of the hotel. There's valet parking. Now you can check out the whole building and the main entrance. This is called the Barnett Hall. That's where like a dance space is. There's a bar, restaurant here, a DJ here. So that's where you check in. Loud music. Kind of feels like you're in New Orleans. All right, let's head up to 218.
218.
Alia just said there was a long line for the elevator. Hopefully we beat that crowd. There's a restaurant in the back. Nice little restaurant. They said you gotta try this out for brunch, but sadly we're gonna be leaving first thing in the morning. Here's a quick guide on 11-1. That's your Trattoria Barnett. Barnett Music Hall, the cafe at the Barnett, and Seaworthy, which is a seafood restaurant. The gym is on the second floor. Level 9 is the rooftop at the Barnett. There's an elevator for the rooftop, but it has a little rope around it. And we're still waiting for the elevator. It's been 5 minutes. So there are a total of 9 floors. The type of room that we booked has only 1 king bed, and the highest that room you can get is on the second floor. So we won't have any view, but what I'm looking forward to is a guitar. So we're sacrificing a bed for a guitar.
In the room.
In the room.
And none of us know how to play it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so you can check out the rugs, the decoration in here. We're going to room 218. We're gonna go give you guys a tour. Alia, are you ready? Okay.
This is very unique.
Right at the entrance, Alia did warn me that there is hardly any light in here.
Yeah. So this is your entrance. It's not a part of the room. This is a walkway that's gonna lead to the room, but that's very cool. You have a
armoire
with
a light, built-in white light. Yeah. You know, we put our bags in. There's a small ironing board.
It's happy. Huge. Most of the time in places like these boutique hotels, you don't get a lot of storage or a lot of closet space, but this is extremely big for that, and comes with its own style and
artwork.
Yeah. You do have some drawers here.
You also have a couple of magazines that Alia is showing you guys. But it's a very dark. I've not seen the room yet.
I was not surprised because when I used the bathroom downstairs in the lobby area, it was dim. It was so dark and dim. It was very cool, but I mean, if you were going in to look at the mirror, it wouldn't do any good for you. So
like, look, dark gray walls.
Wait till you go to the bathroom.
Here is your ice bucket, your cups, your plates, your wine glasses. You also have your snacks. And now, just to kind of give you a pricing idea, coconut water $6, wine, champagne, rosé $98.48. On the food side, energy bars $5, popcorn $6. So you're very typical on the higher end prices of this bar. It's going to get very tempting tonight.
And of course,
New Orleans.
You have your New Orleans kettle style voodoo Zapp's potato chips.
Is there anything on the bottom? There's nothing in the bottom, so no fridge as of yet.
Oh, you want a fridge?
Yeah?
You'll get a fridge. I think this fridge is something that's going to get you the most excited. Now let's go into the room and ta-da!
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, initial impressions. Let's check one thing out first. Look at the coat hangers. Love those.
Look at the lamps.
Yeah, the lamps are very cool. It's very Art Deco
Yeah.
furniture in here.
I am actually running out of words on how to explain some of the cool things that they have in the room, but don't mind me if I keep saying it's cool, because it is.
So it comes with a sofa, a full bed, a king-size bed. Check out the lamp. So there's a couple of storage cubbies right by your bedsides too. But I love the lamps, love the king-size bed. And, you know, we were wondering, what are we going to do, family of 4 with a king-size bed? Shiz loves sleeping on couches. I don't know what's up with that kid. I love him. He
just loves having his own space, and a couch gives him that freedom that, okay, this is just mine, so nobody comes here. And I think this is good enough size for him, and it's going to give him amazing private space that he always craves.
Okay, I just cheated a little bit, but I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about in a second. There's a table with a couple of chairs. There's also a phone here. Oh my God, check that fridge out. A proper retro, almost full size, back in the day fridge. A record player with records. There's a radio, a TV here.
Not only it's a full-size fridge, it is a full-size mini bar. It's loaded.
Except for the Krispy Kreme, we brought those.
That's us, yes.
Yeah, we brought those Krispy Kreme. But look, it's all loaded. It's a lot of alcohol with some Cokes here and there, but I love it. Love, love, love this thing. And if you think so far this is cool, wait till you see the bathroom. The bathroom, so far very nice. A black toilet. I did read about that. Some people were not happy about the black toilet in the rooms. So it has a separate sliding door. Actually, we as a family really appreciate that. And the piece de resistance is, check out this tub. There is no way I'm not taking a bath today. I'm not a bath person. I know Khizr will love it. And you know what's interesting is they also have windows right there, but we're on the second floor. So I wonder who would want to keep the curtains open.
We go to the hotels, and most of the time the layout is slightly different, but it's the usual. So something like this once in a while really brings in the excitement, because we may not even use the bathtub, but it's just so exciting having it there. And the window, like you said, who's going to open it? But it's amazing. Now, some of the things that, I don't know if you pointed out, there is a bathtub, but there is also a shower right next to it. And this may not be a big deal, but with the kids, there's no door. It's only a curtain. Now, to be fair, the curtain is heavy and it's not see-through at all. And it does give you full coverage, but there is no door.
I don't know if I mentioned, but there's body wash, shampoo, and conditioner here. There's a soap and a lotion bottle there with a couple of little amenity kits and a shower cap there. A marble sink. And here's your full bathroom view. Guys, you want to guess what that is?
A closet?
Yeah, a closet. And the other one will open the light for you.
Wait, what? That is so cool.
That is pretty cool, right?
Got books. Okay.
Oh,
There's a
wow.
Oh
This is
my
so
god. Wait. Is this the fridge?
That's the fridge.
Oh my goodness. What on this?
So there's a record player.
What?
But his, so far, look at your couch, buddy.
Oh.
A wood couch.
Can I sleep here? Yeah. I'll sleep here. You can sleep on the bed.
I want to see what you guys think of. There is no door, curtains.
Oh, that's cool.
But check out the tub.
Oh my!
Oh
Wait.
my what? What? What?
I'm using this. Dibs. First dibs.
So this is New Orleans. You get a black toilet. What do you guys think?
It's so cool.
There you go. There you go. The reviews are in. The black toilet is cool.
It's so funny that we got so excited about the room and the different unique layout that we forgot to show you the thing that we always look forward to the most in a room, and that's a view. So we're gonna put the shades up. It is an amazing room. There is glass windows from the floor almost all the way to the ceiling.
Yep.
These are huge windows, so I'm gonna open them and let's see what our view situation looks like.
So let's check this out. But that is a pretty decent view, only from the second floor. So you can see, right, here we are. This is where we were walking, the restaurants downstairs. What I do like are those street lamps. A very Louisiana street lamp. Okay, that is actually pretty cool.
I love that.
Well, now these trolleys are the original ones. There is no AC. It's only window that you can open for some fresh air, but if it's raining, same situation. It could be really muggy inside, so keep that in mind. There's also a red trolley that are the newer ones. We forgot to check the corners. If you're curious about that statement, you may want to go and check our previous video on the hotel in Mississippi. We had a little discovery when we woke up in the morning. Yeah, you may want to check that video out.
I had completely forgotten, and I did not get that reference at all.
Until now.
Until now.
When you move into a hotel, make sure you check the corners. We're gonna go check out the gym. The end of the hallway on the second floor should be the gym. See, gym. So, gym. So this is what the gym looks like. Treadmills. A whole lot of kettlebells and weights. Pull-up. All sorts of machines. And then that's the sitting area right outside. Let's check out this outdoor space. It's actually very nice in the heart of New Orleans. So this was your full Barnett corner room king suite tour. Everybody asked us how much we spend. This hotel room for today's date, it's a holiday weekend, was going for $535 a night. We, using the Hyatt app, were keep looking at this hotel, and one day it popped up for $165. This room was $220, so we scored a deal. The very next day it went back up to $500. By the way, there is no guitar. There was supposed to be a guitar in the room, although we're gonna make use of that record player. The fridge is gonna come handy. What do you guys think?
It's amazing. We're now starting to get comfortable. Soon enough, we're going to be ordering some food in, and what an amazing pick to spend an evening inside the hotel. We have a few hours. We're going to have fun, and I have to say, Azhar, what an amazing pick. Good job. I have to give you a high five.
I strongly agree with your response.
Khizu agrees. Khizu and Isa are eating pizza. We're going to order some food. Hope you guys enjoys this tour. We would have taken you upstairs, but upstairs is closed right now.
And in the morning, we have bigger plans.
Yes,
So-
you may want to come back to our channel and check out what we're doing tomorrow. All I will say is 33 hours from New Orleans to New York. You can guess what transportation we are going to be taking. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now. I think we forgot to mention that the TV also has a TV guide and a Chromecast. And from record collection, it is the history of Bonzos, Burt, New Orleans Rhythm and Blues, Manhattans, Brian Highland, the Boppers, Stan Kenton, and his orchestra.
Remember the taxi driver?
Yes,
The first three numbers of his license plate was 218.
our room is 218, and the taxi driver, that's a sign. This is meant to be.
Buildings.
The views are up.
This is gorgeous.
Cool.
Is that a Capitol building or the church?
It's not a capital city.